At the end of this module, you will be able to define electromagnetic induction, list the observations of Michael Faraday. We have already studied that an electric current can produce magnetism. The reverse of this also true. That is, magnetism can produce electric current. Electromagnetic induction. The process of generating a current by moving a conductor through a magnetic field is called electromagnetic induction. The process of electromagnetic induction led to the construction of generators for producing electricity at power stations. A galvanometer is an instrument which can detect the presence of electric current in a circuit. When a bar magnet is moved quickly into a fixed coil of wire, then a current is produced in the coil. This current causes a deflection in the galvanometer pointer. Similarly, when the magnet is moved out quickly from inside the coil, even then a current is produced in the coil. This current also causes a deflection in the galvanometer pointer but in the opposite direction. The current produced by moving a straight wire in a magnetic field or by moving a magnet in a coil is called induced current. The phenomenon of electromagnetic induction was discovered by a British scientist Michael Faraday in 1831. The production of current by moving a magnet inside a fixed coil of wire is also a case of electromagnetic induction. The concept of fixed coil and rotating magnet is used to produce electricity on large scale in big generators of powerhouses. Please note the condition necessary for the production of electric current by electromagnetic induction is that there must be a relative motion between the coil of wire and a magnet. After performing a large number of experiments, Faraday made the following observations about electromagnetic induction. First one, a current is induced in a coil when it is moved or rotated relative to a fixed magnet. A current is also induced in a fixed coil when the magnet is moved relative to the fixed coil. No current is induced in a coil when the coil and magnet both are stationary relative to one another. The magnitude of current induced in the coil can be increased by winding the coil on a soft iron core, by increasing the number of turns in the coil, by increasing the strength of magnet, and by increasing the speed of rotation of coil. The direction of induced current can be reversed by reversing the direction of magnetic field. In this module, you have learned that the production of electricity from magnetism is called electromagnetic induction.